In this tutorial, you are going to learn to create minimum product purchase promotion, means that minimum quantity purchase. I'm going to take this as an example. Buy 2 products, 2 items, then they can get 10% discount. So now we go to admin panel, marketing, and you go to promotion. Then we click add promotion. So for this, you are going to choose the second one with minimum 2 item purchase. So for promotion title, it is going to be your own record purpose only. So I can make it to buy 2 10% off. As for the next one, online store display, this is for your customer to see. So buy 2 items, get 10% off. All right. Now we have to fill in the discount option. It's going to be 10%. Okay. The minimum total order, you can choose from amount, quantity, or amount and quantity. But for this case, we want them to buy 2 products. So it's going to be quantity. So it's going to be 2 items. All right. Next, you will see the active date. This is for you to set the start date and end date for the promotion. Scroll down, you will see extra condition. Voucher code, this is where you can create the voucher code and customer has to key in the voucher code during checkout to enjoy the promotion. As for target customer, this is for you to restrict who can enjoy the promotion. So first one is open to public, meaning that anyone can enjoy the promotion. And second one is all login member, meaning that customer, they have to log into your online store to enjoy this promotion. And the third one is selected customer group, meaning that if you have customer group A, group B, group C, you can actually restrict only customer group B to enjoy this promotion. Move on, you will see store usage limit. So this is for you to restrict how many orders that can enjoy this promotion. Then lastly, you will see each customer usage limit. This is for you to set one customer can enjoy the promotion for how many times. But you have to take note that if you're actually setting the customer usage limit, your customer, all of them, they have to log into your online store to enjoy the promotion. So the system can detect whether this customer enjoy the promotion or not. And not forget to save this promotion setting and you are done for this promotion. That's all for this tutorial.